This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Omaira Cabrera. Discover the charm and potential of this coastal condo, currently undergoing a complete restoration to its natural state after the impact of a recent hurricane. Nestled in a prime location, this 1,088 square foot unit combines the promise of modern comfort with a renewed connection to nature. The restoration process focuses on sustainable rebuilding practices, enhancing the condo's durability while preserving its unique character. The unit features a 2-bedroom, 2 full baths and a spacious Florida room. This is an active community and a place you can call home. You have shared amenities such as the pool, recreational actives and much more. This is a rare opportunity to own a piece of coastal living in a community committed to resilience and renewal. Ideal for those seeking a tranquil retreat or a home with a story of transformation and sustainability, this condo offers a blank slate to make your own. For more